Right, good evening. We are going to talk about motivating people to attend New Life events. This is so important. I really can't stress enough that if you want people to succeed, you need to get them to events. Because remember, you maybe met them one on one, you sponsored them, and they only see you. It is very important that they see the bigger picture. That's why we have bigger home meetings where they can see, well, there are other people in the business as well. Then you have meetings, everybody in your town. I know people in Port Elizabeth once a month, they all get together and you see that bigger meeting. Or in Johannesburg, I know they have New Life events, or in Cape Town, where you see even a bigger picture. But then you also have the New Life Summit, which is your big picture. So it is very important. You can see the people who are going to all the events are the people who are successful. Because even though we are 32 years in the business, we still pick up something at every event we go to. Because you build knowledge, you build confidence, and it helps you to succeed. Right. So success begins with a state of mind. If you want to succeed, start thinking of yourself as a successful person. You have to see yourself at the next step. So if you are a manager, you have to see yourself wearing that senior manager pin. Or if you're a distributor, you need to see yourself wearing that manager pin. So you must first see yourself in the situation before you actually are that manager or senior manager or wherever you are. Right. Why events matter? Because events inspire, builds belief in the company and the products. It creates momentum for your business, also builds motivation and enthusiasm because you see other people being successful at these events. It motivates you as a leader as well. So don't think when you are a director and up, oh, I don't have to go anymore. There's nothing for me. No, it helps you as a leader. It grow your confidence in yourself and in the business. You gain additional knowledge. So it helps with the education of the business as well as the products. You also connect with a bigger community. Right, tip one, lead by example. That's what I always said to my own children. I never said to them, you go out, you go and run, you go and play tennis, you need an A for maths. We always believe in we do it first. So we first were successful at school, at university, in the sports we done. Then I could say to my kids, look, we've done it. Now it's your turn. Always attend events yourself. So you can't send people to events if you don't attend the events yourself. I know we can't always attend the events in Africa, but we attend every event here in the UK and in Europe. Share your excitement and stories because there people tell a lot about it. Your team mirrors your action. So if your team don't go to events, it's because maybe you don't go to events. Maybe you don't attend the Zooms. So now your team think it's not necessary to, attend the Zooms. Tip two, promote early and often. Start promoting weeks before, not just 1 week before. I started already promoting Louis' event, which is end of May. So you can't just a week.
Men's breakfast in June.
And women's IT in June, men's breakfast in July. We already start promoting that. Use all the platforms, not just WhatsApp or Facebook, but try them all. WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok. Chris said last night he's going to get somebody who can link all of his things together that he posts once and then it go to every other platform. So very good if you have that knowledge to connect them all. You can use emails and phone calls and repeat reminders. People need 7 touches. So before a person actually come to an event, you must have been in touch with them 7 times. So maybe first time is just to say, save the date. The next time, every time say something about the event, just to keep reminding them of the event. Tip 3, share stories, just not just info. People love stories. Talk about what past events did for you. Then use testimonials from others, not just you. Like I did now with the products. I used Louis and I used Frank. I don't have to do all the products. All the knowledge is already there. Make the event emotionally relevant. So sharing success stories today helps. Okay. Tip 4. Personal invitations win. Call or voice note team members personally. I know people don't answer the phones anymore, but then rather than just texting, send. I see Herman do it these days. He make video, short video clips to remind people. That's more effective. Or a voice note, not just a text message. Make them feel special. I thought of you. Then create a personal reason why they should be there. Very important to make it personal for them. Tip 5, create urgency. There's limited space, or don't miss this. Well, lots of the times here with us, there are limited space. They are really limited space. So, that FOMO one is very important. Fear of missing out. People don't like to miss out, especially women. Men is not as bad as women. So make it that, they're going to miss out if they don't come. So, and then limited time bonuses like gifts, things like that. So tell people if you come and you let me know, there's a little goodie bag for you. Things like that. Even if it's just maybe a shake and a Pro Vitality you give to people, just to tell them, they must let you know, because you make little goodie bags. Or if they let you know in advance, there would be a goodie bag for them. Tip 6, make it easy to say yes. Help with transport if needed. Offer to go together as a group. People will easier go to something if they're in a group. If you say, right, the Bloom function is coming out up in South Africa, maybe get 2 or 4 people, share a car and go together as a group. And share exact details, time, venue, and what to bring. Tip 7, follow up with excitement. After the invite, follow up with, are you as excited as I am? Because when I go to these events, I love it. So people must get the feeling that you like to go and not that you just say it. Help them register or prepare and get them to bring a friend. People attend easier if they bring a friend because they have somebody to talk to and they feel more welcome. Tip 8, get them to see the bigger picture. Show how events help their growth. Share stories of people whose life changed after attending events. That's why I always try, if it's possible, and I know Herman do that very well at the Africa Summit. He always take little videos which he share afterwards of people who were successful. And remind them, growth happens. When you get out of your comfort zone. Tip 9, use group energy and recognition. Create team challenges. Let's go as a team. We have lots of team challenges at the moment. If you step up to manager, you get 100 rand. Step up to senior manager, you get some money. So make use of these challenges. And I know 100 rand is maybe not a lot, but at least with 100 rand, 2 people can go and drink a cup of coffee. And the same here in the UK. Recognize those who register first. So the early birds, recognize them. Offer small incentives like snack packs or refund the ticket. Don't pay the tickets up front. Let people first pay for their tickets. And if they did go to the event, afterwards you will refund them. If they don't go, then they don't get the refund. Okay, and here is, I have 2 videos that you can see two people who are excellent in promoting events and how they do it.
Hi, Bald Eagle team. Yeah? Yeah. Hi, Bald Eagle team. This is Gilles here, and I just have some great, exciting news to share with you. I would like to invite you to a couple of events that are going to take place at the beginning of April. On the 4th and the 5th of April, we have the very exciting news to have Ashley Peebles coming all the way from the US. She's the director of field development in North America, and she's coming all the way to the UK, and she's going to do a little bit of a tour of Europe as well in beginning of April, and we have booked her for Friday, the 4th of April in the evening in central London. We will be doing an opportunity open event, which is designed for you to bring some guests, where we're going to basically do a full business presentation. We're going to have Ashley there, I'll be there, we're going to have the whole of the team there. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So book the date, start inviting already. It's going to be an amazing day. We had the equivalent over the weekend here, and it's been really successful. And then the next day, Saturday the 5th of April, we will have a big full-on training and motivational and inspiring day for distributors, for the team, where Ashley is going to be here to share all her wisdom. Somebody who effectively has built a business which would be probably the equivalent of 1 or 2 diamond in Neolife. She built this with her husband in 3 short years. So, somebody who knows inside out network marketing. I'll be providing some training with my 25 years experience. And obviously we also have some people from the field who are going to be sharing their wisdom, but we will also probably do a lot of recognition because the UK is booming right now, Ireland is booming right now, and we're going to have a lot of people up for recognition between now and April. Looking forward to seeing you all there, and yes, book the date in the diary and start inviting.
Okay, that was Joe last year when he promoted the event when Ashley was here. And you can see he looked excited, and you can see it in his eyes, and you feel like, man, I like to go. So that was Joel here in the UK. And then the next one.
Hello, my incredible friends. UK Europe 2026. Krakow, Poland. Have you ever been there? What an amazing place. So beautiful. The Polish are absolutely awesome. Remember that Impact Summit is the #1 most powerful tool in your belt to empower you to build this business. This is where you're going to meet the scientist. Dr. Suzanne Beck is going to be there, and she is amazing. She has spoken at our conference. You're going to meet the CEO of the company, Kendra Bradfield. She's going to be there. You're going to meet the fastest growing people in near life. They're going to be across there. You're going to learn the plan of action on how to take your business to the next level. You're going to come back so inspired. You're going to be the first to see the new products that are going to be launched across Europe. How does that sound? My encouragement to you is do whatever you can. The prices are right, correct, and good right now to get yourself a good discount to get to Impact Summit, because I'm telling you what, those who go grow, those who don't go don't grow. And you are serious, you want to build this business. If there's an inkling inside of you that you want to succeed in this industry, if there's something inside of you that says, me, I would love to have early retirement, residual income, freedom, travel the world, be my own boss, I go to beautiful destinations. If there's anything inside of you that says, I'm sick and tired of the mundane, I'd like to learn more about health and nutrition, this is the place to be. You must have an incredible day. I am so proud of the Chris and Barbara, what they are putting together to give you an amazing event in Krakow, if that's the right wording, Poland. I wish I could be with you. Have a great day and God bless. Bye.
Louis, that is Krakow. And that is in Poland. And we already booked our hotel. We bought our tickets already because it's early bird tickets. It's cheaper if you buy now. So if you didn't get to your tickets yet, please make sure that you buy your tickets for Krakow in Poland. But in South Africa, you also have a summit. I'll give you the dates just now. Okay, thank you, Frank. You can stop.